Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to lecture 32 of mobile application development. You people already know that we are discussing how to implement and develop a professional app, how to implement different concepts such as content provider, content resolver, contract classes, databases, how to create database tables in databases, how to use adapters. So all these concepts will be discussed step by step throughout these lecture series. But let me tell you that um, in these lectures we are only implementing the theoretical part. The theoretical part is already discussed, so be with me and concentrate a lot because these are advanced concept and they need a lot of concentration. So today inshallah we are going to implement menus in Android. In the previous lecture we were discussing adding text to the string XML file. Today we are once again going to add some more text. We are also going to discuss how to add list item XML file in Android Studio. So with that, let me go to the Android Studio. So we were here, we were in the pets app, and let me revise. We were having two Java file, the catalog activity, the editor activity. The catalog activity was responsible for displaying the list of pets, their breeds. And the editor activity was responsible for allowing us to edit those records, to modify those records, to add new record, to delete an existing records. So with that we also added some resources in our res folder, and the pictures were added in drawable like ic add underscore pet, ic done, and ic empty shelter. And then we created two layout files for the corresponding catalog activity and editor activity. And we also added some values file like color.xml, strings.xml, and style.xml. We defined some strings, so there you can see all these strings. I'm going to add some more string because they we are going to use them in our app. So the next string will be to okay, insertion successful. What was that? Editor insert pet successful. Okay, so editor insert pet successful. Okay, the next one is okay, let me add the string resource. So string name, and it will be editor. I'm giving it the name of editor because these strings will be used in editor activity, so that is why I'm giving them the meaningful name. So editor underscore activity underscore title, so that will be the title of editor activity, edit underscore pet. So with that I can write edit pet. So let us move on and add another string, and that string is editor underscore activity underscore title underscore add underscore pet. And how to pet in the editor activity? So for that a message will be displayed called add. So the message will be add a pet. So moving on, let me add another string, name equals editor underscore delete underscore pet underscore successful. So the text will be pet deleted. So moving on and adding another string, and that is editor underscore dialog underscore message So this message will be displayed whenever a user try to delete a pet. So the message is delete this pet. Alright. Then we have another string, and that string is editor underscore delete underscore pet and underscore failed, and that will be if we are unsuccessful in deleting a pet, then we are going to give a message error with deleting a pet. So error with deleting a pet, so that will be the message. Okay, so let me move on and let me move on and let me add some more strings, and let me see. So editor, no, that will be delete and delete. And then for the cancel, if you do not want to if you want to cancel your operation, then the cancel string will be used. Unsave changes dialog underscore message. So discard your changes and quit editing. So with that, I think there are few strings left, and one is discard for discarding the operation, and then the last one is for string unknown. So for unknown breed, if you do not know about the breed of the pet, then this message will be displayed, unknown breed. So the last message would be so for if updation does not occur, then this message will be displayed. So editor update underscore pet successful, and the message is updation successful. So with that, that was very tedious, but we have done it. So these are all the string that will be used in our app. So now that we have added the string, the next objective is to implement menus in Android and add a list item. So for that, let me go to the layout file, and let me create a list item. Okay, so new layout resource file, give it a name of list underscore item. It's a linear layout. Yes, it is linear layout, and I think that is it. And click OK, and there you go. We have a linear layout, and let me define the orientation. So okay, orientation is already defined. Okay, let me just format them because it is difficult to read them. The height would be wrap content, and let me add another attribute, and that is the padding. Wrap content, and then the id will be name. So this text view is for the name. Okay, there is an error because I have inserted double slash. And then font family, and is it sans serif medium, and then text appearance. Alright, text appearance, so it's Android text appearance medium, Android colon text appearance medium. And then the last one is text color, and the text color would be 2B. You can like add color of your own choice. So the color appears here, and you can also change this color from this color palette. So with that, let me close this text view, and we are going to define another text view. In order to save time, I'm going to copy it, I'm going to paste it, and this is in fact the summary, and the rest of the attributes are, I think, wrap content, and let me add a different color. That color is AEB6BD. So that is the color. So we have added a list item, and congratulations. So let me save all the project. So with that, now let me add um, another directory, and that directory would be a menu directory. Okay, so we have added menu. So I'm going to add menu for the catalog first. So new menu resource file, so it's menu, the file name is menu underscore catalog. The rest of the settings are okay. Click OK. So there you have it, you have added a menu. And yes, let me add some properties. Tools, context. So the context for this menu will be dot catalog activity. I think tools are not important. Alt enter to to import it, and there you have it. And I think the rest of the settings are okay. So with that, I'm going to add a menu item, give it an ID. So action underscore insert underscore dummy data. So this is for inserting the dummy data in the catalog activity menu. The other attribute is the title. Remember that the title string is defined in the string file, so I'm referring to the string file, and this is action underscore insert underscore dummy data. So we are using string from the string file. And the last one is app show as action. So I do not want to show it on the menu bar. I want to be hidden. Okay, close the menu item, add another menu item. The title would be add the string. Of course, I want to delete all the records, so action underscore delete all entries. So I refer to that string in the string file, add an ID, give it a meaningful name, action underscore delete underscore all underscore entries, and once again app. I'm going to add show as action, never. So I'm never going to show it like on to be permanently appear on this menu. You can also see the menu being created and reflected in this interface. So with that, we are done with adding the menu for the catalog. Now let us add the menu for the editor, for the editor activity. So where it is, so I'm going to add a menu for this editor activity. So right click, new, menu resource file, and it's menu underscore editor, and there we have it. Okay, so once again using tools, the context will be, context means where it will be used, so it will be used in editor activity. Okay, adding a menu item, an ID. First I'm going to add an ID, so this is action underscore save, and then the title, again refer to the title from the string file. So what was the title? It was action save. So actions, whatever string is stored, again action save will be used here. So what about icon? So icon will be referred from the drawable, and that will be IC done. And show as action always, so you can see this done item, menu item over here, and we have like show as action, always show it, so that is why it will be always visible on the menu. Adding another item, and the ID action underscore delete. Be careful with the typos, because it will like compile, it will waste a lot of your time. So string, and that is action delete. So add this string, and the last thing, show as action, never. Close it. So congratulations, you have added the two menus for the catalog activity and the editor activity. Let me save my work. So with that, we are done. So we have implemented the menus, added the string in the string file and a list item. So inshallah, in the next lecture, we would try to add some colors in the colors file. We would add arrays in the array XML file. We would add some dimensional file for adding dimensions to our app, and then we will move on towards the real part, which is coding the app. So till then, take care and Allah